In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your Windows computer just like this one. Here, the notification, as you can see, is very different, and if this is transparent. The taskbar is transparent and it just looks like macOS when we just click on icons, and the start menu is also very different. So you need is a software that is very easy to use and very simple. Here, let me show you. So I have used this software from web and it is called Windhawk. You might know it because it is very reputable and safe. So go to Google and search for Windhawk. Download. You will find it right here, the official website, and I will also share it down below in the description. Here you will find three options: download, browse for modes, and get involved. Click on download. Wait. Yeah. The Windhawk setup will be downloaded as windhawksetup.exe. So I have downloaded it before. It is very simple to install. So you can also look at very reputable themes right here. I suggest not to go on unreputable themes like these ones, because they can be unsafe and may lead to virus in your computer. So let's just open Windhawk. You just need to go to search bar and search for Windhawk. So this is the Windhawk interface, and go to explore and you will find the themes. So I've installed these four ones and I suggest you to install these ones because these are very simple and can make your Windows computer more futuristic. So let's go to first one. You just need to install. Click here and install. Mine one is installed, so there is no need. Now I can just enable it. Yes. And now here you can see I have selected matter. So you can find different themes here like bubbles, rose pine, wind vista, and if you want older themes like this one, Windows 7, and there is also, I guess, Windows XP here. Yeah, here is Windows XP. So I've selected matter, which looks nice, but if you want you can select any of these. You can also select surface, so you can get a look like macOS, but some of these work fine while others do not. So let's just go here with surface and save settings. Look, it is working, but it is not looking nice. So what we need to do is just, the code is a little wrong for my computer and it would work fine on yours, but what I use and work properly is matter, the matter theme. It works properly and it is good. So it looks futuristic right now to me. When I go to home, let's just go to Windhawk again, and then there is the Windows 11 Start Menu styler. This is very reputable too. Go to details and you will find several themes here. I have the one I used is, I think, this one, oversimplified. and liquid glass. These are very futuristic and look like iOS 26 as it uses liquid glass. So what you need to do is go to the settings section here, and you need to enable this, and you can get liquid glass. So here I have liquid glass and it looks transparent, as you can see. It is totally transparent, and the search bar is a little is square, and it is also transparent. You can also get the fluid one, which is also nice. It looks like this exactly, but I'm gonna use liquid glass because it is much better, and I have used it before and it didn't have any problem. So once again, your computer might work with other themes, but my computer doesn't, because some of the themes do not fit. Like, let's just select this one. So I don't like this, and you can see this line. I don't understand why this line exists here, and there's no other problems except for this blank space. And we can also get Windows 10X, but look at here, there is a problem with this. So and you can also get oversimplified, which looks like this if you want a simplified version, but you will find like this. The names of the icons will be not very stable. So some of these themes may cause instability in your Windows, but the reputable ones don't cause any problem. So I'm just gonna search for liquid glass, and here it is. Now there is taskbar dock animation, which is when like in macOS. So you need to read this before installing or enabling this. It says the taskbar height and icon size uses if you are using this mode to create a minimalistic taskbar. Please keep the max scale at or below 130% to avoid clipping issues. And this is recommended by the creator because it doesn't cause any problem. So and it is by default 120. I've set it to 120, and if you want you can just click it on to 100. Let me just try 100, enable, and now as you can see we get this. And in 100 we get this. It isn't responding much, so I'm just gonna do for 140. Let's just try 140 and see what is. It looks like this. So I'm just gonna keep it 125, and it is much better. Now what you need is to go to, so the fourth one I use is Windows 11 Notification Center. This one looks like this. Yeah, the original one, the Windows one. But we can get everything, anything we want, like this one or this one or this one, any theme we want. So you just need to go to settings. I have also selected here matter. You can select anything you want, like liquid glass, and wait, let me enable it. Yeah, this is liquid glass. Tinted glass, This is tinted glass layer, and this looks like this. I don't understand what this box looks like. Once again, this will also, some of the themes will also cause problems, so I just use matter. Again, I use matter because it is stable and it works fine. There is also translucent shell which looks like this, but I don't understand. The Wi-Fi little looks like, doesn't look stable, so you can use only matter. Okay, I also used once this one and this, but I just removed it because it wasn't that reputable, and it uses 163,000 users. That is reputable, but not for me. I don't suggest using it. I am comfortable with these four, and it makes my Windows futuristic. And now for the time, I for the mouse, the cursor, where did I find this cursor? It is very futuristic too. So how to you can change it? So what you need to do is go here and Windows 11 cursor style, and you will find Windows cursor style, and this RW designers. You will find cursors of many different themes, so you can just write it. There is also this one that looks like this but is not similar, so you can go here. You can find it in this library or search here like futuristic, and you will find several options and it will give you futuristic cursors. But I also find it from like JPEG Creations, I guess. Yeah, this is JPEG Creations, and it also gives me this, but I already used one of these. I used this one, and from here I downloaded it. It is paid, so and there is also the free version if you want. And you can just right here. Here it is, the free one. I will share the link with you for both of these sites, and I used this one. And how did I use it? You just need to go to settings, go Bluetooth and devices, go here. Wait, you need to go to mouse, not devices. You just need to go to mouse, go down, addition. Wait, you need to go to additional mouse settings, and from here you need to go to pointers, and I have just you need to add your one from here, browse, and you can select it from wherever you want. So here it is, light one. I have it here, and this is how you can customize your mouse cursor in Windows, and you just click on apply. Okay, so this is how you can make your Windows computer futuristic with the Windhawk and customizing your cursor simply. And if you want this wallpaper, I will just put the link in the description below, and you can download it from there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.